interesting. This is nature, stamps, hand towel painting, building a bridge and building a structure activity, patterns and maths, science. It's very interesting. Design using cloth. We are going to build a bridge. These are the different materials to build a bridge. Let's build this side pillars. Let's build the pillar. Side pillars are ready. Let's attach the deck. Our bridge is almost ready. Let's tie thread across the bridge. step by step how I did it. Assemble the bridge by following the pictorial guide on the right. These are the instructions how to build a bridge. Do you know bridges are structures built over railroads, tracks, roads, rivers, or some obstacle? They allow people or vehicles to cross from one side to another. Bridges must be built strong enough to safely support their own weight as well as the weight of a people and vehicles that pass over it. The bridge must also be able to withstand earthquakes, strong winds, and freezing. There are 6 different types of bridges: cable-stayed bridges, truss bridges, beam bridges, arch bridges, suspension bridges, and cantilever bridges. Next time when you are outside, identify different types of bridges you see. This is a model of cable-stayed bridge. Cable-stayed bridges have one or more towers. In this model, we can see 2 towers. From the tower, the cables support the bridge deck. It is similar to suspension bridges. These bridges have been used for 19th century. The longest cable-stayed bridge is in Russia and it's called the Rusky Bridge. Hope you like this activity.